All right, so here is the door that we painted, bent back into shape, and put new wheels at the bottom. Works nicely. I mean, this is where it was the most abused, so I had to very carefully bend it back. But anyways, we have the working door. Works perfectly. I'm being rough with it because I want to abuse it now. If it's going to act up, I want it to happen now. Okay, there's that. I put the check back because on close inspection, we have screws in here.
Look.
Yes, there is screws, and these are orange. These are orange screws, and the package that I ordered, according to the flooring, is brown. But anyways, we don't need to put screws. They're already in there. We're gonna just, yes, and looks like they even cheated and put some finish nails there also. So I'm gonna bang these back in place, and I think that they're gonna be fine. If they need additional attention, that would be in the years to come. I don't think we should put any new holes in this, especially with these brown points. That there's a combination of different woods here. There's the brown flooring, and then there's this orangey color. So if we were going to do that, we would need the orangey color. So I put the check back in. We'll work out what the payment is another time.